Hey guys, today we're taking a look at my first custom mechanical keyboard that brought me into the hobby. This keyboard is a 60% form factor that uses a universal tray mount design that allows for compatibility with plenty of other parts. Before getting into custom keyboards, I used to use a Corsair keyboard that I picked up from either Amazon or Best Buy. Now, breaking down the list of parts that I've used, for the keycaps I've went with GMK's white on black. It's a very classic and iconic set that is available on drop from time to time. For the switches, I decided to go with retooled Cherry MX blacks. Now these guys I've personally spring swapped with TX Keyboard's 65 gram springs and then lubed the housing with Krytox 205 grade 0. For the plate, I went with a basic aluminum plate that I picked up from KBD Fans that offered a variety of different layouts for my liking. For the PCB, I decided to go with the DZ60 Revision 2 with a Type-C USB. Now this is powered through QMK firmware and offers a multitude of different layouts for the bottom row, steps, caps lock, ISO or ANSI layout as well. For the case, I went with KBD Fans Tofu 60% aluminum case. This is a 7-degree typing angle with a weight of 760 grams, designed out of aluminum 6063 and compatible with most 60% PCBs. Overall, this kit was excellent to work with and I'd recommend it to anybody new coming in the hobby. The only concerns that I found were the sharp edges of the case itself and the USB pass-through in the case, as it may be too small for some USB cables to fit in.